because he loves Taco Bell, right?
But no, I think you love Taco Bell more than I do.
Now I do. Now I love Taco Bell. Try it. I want to see how you like it.
This is so good.
Is it good? Everybody, so today is Friday and this is a long weekend for us. Long weekend actually. 4th of July. So Richard actually total starting from today and including Saturday and Sunday have 5 days of off, vacation, 5 দিনের ছুটি। তো আজকে থেকে আমাদের লং উইকেন্ড স্টার্ট হয়ে গেছে। তো এখন যাচ্ছি ইন্ডিয়ান গ্রসারি স্টোরে। কালকে রিচার্ডের বোনকে আমি ইনভাইট করেছি। শি ইজ কামিং ওভার টু দ্য হাউস টু হ্যাভ ব্রাঞ্চ উইথ আস অ্যান্ড দেন টুমরো ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি 90-degree weather, so we plan to go to a beach nearby our house. So I invited her over, so I want to make some Indian food for her so we can have lunch together. এখন বাচ্চারা are swinging and we are waiting. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for Richard. He is on his way and Samara is like amader bair ulto dike your friender house, so Indian grocery store jete ekটু interested na, bollo ami amar friend er baite থাকবো। তো আমরা এখন ওয়েট করছি, hopefully Richard will be here in some time. ততক্ষণে ওদেরকে একটু swing করাই। Mori, yeah, oh it's daddy here, let's go Mori, look daddy's here. Okay, 1 2 3, jump. Ooh, that was dangerous. Oh no. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna get down? No, you don't jump. You gotta...
Daddy.
There's Daddy. Daddy's coming.
What are you doing?
You wanna get down? You can't get down. She can't get down. Okay? Get down. Okay. Good job. Let's go.
Baby shark, baby shark.
Yes. Oh, kicking. Yeah.
Touch your cheek. Teach.
Yes.
Touch your mouth.
Yes.
Touch your eyes. Touch your nose.
Nice.
Touch your hands.
Hands. Clap your hands. Okay, so we are here as we go actually detouring to another store. It's called Dollar Tree. So we're gonna pick a few stuff that I need and then we'll head to the Indian grocery store. So yeah,
Could I get something?
we'll see.
It's only at the store and it costs $1.
Yeah, if you have $1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, chill.
Oh, maybe this one.
These are cool.
Which one is better?
Naira, what do you want for your birthday theme?
When is your birthday, Naira?
September 29th.
What do you got there?
This is I'm already shopping for Amara's birthday party, which is in like how many months?
Mama.
2 months.
Mama.
She's having a mermaid themed birthday party.
Get the go walk. It's like a walking scene.
What about wrapping paper? What do you want to do? So এসে গেছি, এটা হলো কে our Indian store. If you can see this one right here, we call Gayatri. So we're gonna go do some Indian grocery shopping. Okay, so this is our Indian store grocery. Look, we got a box full of Indian grocery. Richard got his favorite stuff. Are you excited, Richard?
I am always excited to eat Indian food.
Okay. Can I come back from the store? আর এখন আমাদের ডিনার রেডি হচ্ছে। সো এটা হলো আমার ডিনার, ডাল অ্যান্ড রুটি, আর এটা রিচার্ডের রাজমা অ্যান্ড রাইস। অ্যাকচুয়ালি যে ইন্ডিয়ান গ্রসারি স্টোরে গেছিলাম ওখানে দে হ্যাভ রিয়েলি গুড লাইক সব কিছু আগে থেকে রান্না করা থাকে এরকমভাবে, ইউ ক্যান সি প্যাক করা। তো খুব ফ্রেশও হয় আর আমাকে আজকে রান্না করারও ঝামেলা থাকে না, টেস্টি। সো এইটা হলো কে আমার ডিনার, এটা আমি খাবো, খালি একটা শসা কেটে নেবো এর সাথে। আর আফটার Amora is done eating, we are going to eat our dinner. আর পরোটার চিনি খাওয়ার খুব ইচ্ছা হয়েছে, তাই ওকে পরোটার চিনি বানিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। ঠিক করে খাও। So I'm making aloo paratha for brunch today. I hope you like it.
Looks delicious. You look so pretty.
Wow, look at your hair, Amora. Look at it.
Oh my. You look so
Very nice, Amori. Where are we going?
To the beach.
Okay, let's go. Oh no. So আমরা এখন যাচ্ছি beach এ. Got ready. Everybody is going together to a beach nearby. It's like 90-degree weather. Perfect for a beach day. So we are here at the beach park and the line is really long. Seems like everybody's here at the beach. The weather is so warm. Perfect for a beach day. So yes. Look at the long line. Everybody's on the beach. Mari! So hi. Where did Anara go?
Could not wait for me. Strawberry first. That's yummy.
What are you eating, Anara? Wow! Did Aunt Gabrielle get it for you?
Oh yeah.
Whoa! What do we have?
All right, mango, strawberry, or lime.
Wow, I think I want the mango one. For sure. Yep.
All right, there you go.
Thank you. Got it.
Auntie's cooler treat.
What did you get? Lime. What do you want? এখনো বিচে বসে আছি. Girls went into the water with Gabriel. We're just chilling in here. Having fun.
Happy 4th of July.
Almost 4th of July. Yay! Long weekend. So, beacher part ঢুকে গেছে. Beach is done and look how sweaty I am. It's so hot in there. So now we are heading to get some ice cream from are we going to Oscars?
Yeah, this is where Taco Bell is.
Okay, so are we gonna get some Taco Bell?
I'm eating healthy from here on out.
From today? Okay, try to eat healthy after 4th of July. How about that? Okay. So this is custard. Oscars frozen custard. This is a new. Let's try this new place. We already been to Cobb, so how about we try this new place and see what is in there. And Samara, this is yours. This is whose?
That's Samara. Thank you so much.
Samara's? Look at this box. Oh, wow.
Look at
Wow.
everybody's so
Everybody's
happy.
got something.
The joy.
The
Everybody's
joy that
everybody's
Daddy
joy
brings
brings me
to our
joy.
face. We didn't get anything. Just got us some ice cream. Next stop, Taco Bell. So we're getting some Taco Bell from here, some tacos from here.
Your favorite food?
My favorite food. It wasn't my favorite. Richard made it my favorite food because he loves Taco Bell, right?
But no, I
Try this.
I think you love Taco Bell more than I do.
Now I do. Now I love Taco Bell. Try it. I want to see how you like it. Is it good? Even she wants ice cream.
Everybody's joy is bringing me joy.
Everybody's just makes it try. This is too sugary.
It's delicious.
বাড়িতে তো আমরা সবাই এসে গেছি, but nobody wants to go inside the house. তাই এখন we will hang out in our patio. We'll fill up the pool for the kids. Then just have our dinner and snacks and dessert here. তারপরে ফাইনালি যখন সবাই টায়ার্ড হয়ে যাবে তখন আমরা ভেতরে যাব। এখন nobody wants to go inside the house, right, Mori? Okay, so we are blowing up the new pool. That's what we were doing, and then I will jump in that. Such a nice weather to be out here. Look at them. These kids are having a blast in there, and now we're gonna blow up the new pool. Yep. Yeah, good job. Not gonna work on mom.
Everybody, 3 cheers for Mom.
No,
No.
This didn't blow like 1 inch. How do you blow this up? Hey, stop! No! No!
I'm gonna go with Coda. That's better. That's the cold.
Hey, Amara, stop! So, we inflated the new one and a small one too. Tomorrow we'll probably inflate the other one too. You know, shop ki ekshate. We'll be relaxing here. What are we doing here? Swimming in our new inflatable pool.
No. Dad, may I quickly have my phone?